Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete a Telegram group. Now to delete a Telegram group, you need to be the leader or the admin of the group. So if you are the creator, because the second name of an admin or a group leader is the creator of the group. So if you're the creator of the group, then only you can delete the group, otherwise you can't. So for this, you need to first enter the group. Once you're inside the group, at the top right corner, it's going to show you your group's profile. So once you click on your group's profile, it's going to take you to the setting page of the group. From the setting page of the group, you can clearly see the three dot. Now once you click on the three dot, these things will appear. From over here, just click on delete group, and it's saying, do you want to delete this group? The Beast team and all its message will be deleted forever. So once I click on delete like this, I will be removed from the group and the group will be deleted, which means every single message which I have done on that group will also be deleted and I cannot recover it ever again. So if you're okay with not being able to recover the messages and being kicked out of the group, then you can follow the step which I showed you and you should be able to delete the group chat on Telegram. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.